In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete responses in Surveymonkey so you can keep your survey data clean and well organized. Whether you want to remove a single response or delete multiple entries at once, the process is quick and easy. First, log into your Surveymonkey account and open the survey where you want to remove responses. Once the survey is open, go to the Analyze Results section. This is where all collected responses are stored and managed. From here, select individual responses. You'll now see your data displayed in either table view or single view. If you want to delete just one response, table view is the fastest option. Scroll through the list, find the response you want to remove, and click the delete option next to it. Surveymonkey will ask you to confirm before permanently deleting the response. So make sure you are removing the correct one. In single view, you can open an individual response and use the delete option in the top corner of the page. Again, confirm the action to permanently remove it from your survey data. If you need to delete multiple responses at the same time, stay in table view. You'll see checkboxes next to each response. Select up to 30 responses at once. Then click the Delete Selected Responses option, usually shown as a trash icon. Confirm your choice and those responses will be removed instantly. Keep in mind that deleted responses cannot be recovered, so always double check before confirming. And that's it. You now know how to delete Surveymonkey responses quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.